Tumagal lang ng 30 minuto ang deliberasyon ng House Committee on Appropriations kaugnay sa panukalang pondo ng Office of the President 6. Personal na humarap si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, hindi lang para depensahan ang kanilang budget kundi para sagutin na rin ang iba pang usapin. Yan ang ulat ni Bella Lesmoras.
President, Executive Secretary, former Chief Justice.
Sa harap ng mga kongresista, tiniyak ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin na walang masamang intensyon ang inilabas na pahayag ng gabinete nitong weekend. Matatandaang pumalag ang sangay ng ehekutibo noong Sabado laban sa anilay pagtatangka ng ilang kongresista na ibaling sa kanila ang sisi sa isyu ng katiwalian. Panawagan pa nila sa Kamara, pakinggan ang sigaw ng bayan para sa full accountability at imbes na manisi, linisin muna ang sarili nilang bakuran.
Gusto lang namin na maliwanagan kung anong ibig sabihin po nito from our Executive Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Minority Leader, for raising this up. It's the elephant in the room. But we came here in good faith. We just would like to emphasize that any part of that statement is our statement. No? We will not shirk from that or avoid the impact. But we would like to emphasize today that that statement was more to stress our institutional separation from the House of Representatives and to elicit cooperation and support from the House of Representatives more than any other. We do not intend that to rile up the tension between our departments. There is nothing intended that is malicious or to malign the House of Representatives.
Sinabi ito ni E.S. Bersamin nang siya'y humarap sa deliberasyon ng House Committee on Appropriations ukol sa panukalang pondo ng Office of the President. Para sa taong 2026, higit 27.3 billion pesos ang hinihinging budget ng OP. Ayon sa Executive Secretary, gagamitin ito hindi lang para sa operasyon ng kanilang tanggapan pero ilalaan din para sa hosting ng Pilipinas sa 2026 ASEAN Summit kung saan Pilipinas ang magsisilbing chair.
The proposed budget for the regular OP PAPS is 6.82% lower than our proposal last year, which is consistent with the President's directive to all government agencies to be always mindful of the need to provide quality services for the people with less financial requirement in support of the Bagong Pilipinas brand of governance. Your Honors, despite this budget proposal being reduced, we assure the Congress that it will not affect the delivery of the services of the President to the people.
Sa ngalan ng institutional courtesy, tumagal lang ng higit 30 minuto ang deliberasyon ng komite sa OP budget at agad din itong natapos. Kasunod niyan, nakapulong din ni E.S. Bersamin si House Speaker Martin Romualdez at iba pang House leaders kasama na ang Presidential Son at House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos. Sabi ni Speaker Romualdez, kaisa ng Presidente at ng Gabinete ang Kamara sa paghahatid ng credible, acceptable at beneficial budget para sa bawat Pilipino. Bella Lesmoras para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.